The essential public purpose of marriage is to attach mothers and fathers to their children and to each other for the sake of their children and their children's rights. Marriage, as a civil institution, is about children. The law should recognize it as a children-centered institution. Children and their rights are the reason why marriage is a public civil institution and not merely a religious institution, and why it should have special legal status. The law should recognize the basic facts of biology, social science, and human nature, and should protect the child's rights by protecting marriage. Legal protection of marriage is necessary because children are unable to defend and protect their own rights. And the violation of those rights and consequent harm and damage done is extremely difficult to remedy satisfactorily after the fact. Because marriage serves the very essential public purpose of procreating children and securing their positive rights, it deserves special legal status that transcends mere contract law. Marriage is more than a contract because it intends to create and care for an entirely new human being, an entirely new third party to the quote contract, who has special positive rights that depend upon the marriage relationship itself to be secured. Relationships that have no bearing on children's rights do not deserve special civil recognition and privileges. All other relationships can be and are mere contracts. Marriage should not be about self-centered adults who want recognition and approval and privileges from society and the state for their private relationships, which serve no public purpose. As a civil institution, marriage is not about the happiness or rights of adults, but the happiness and rights of children. If individuals want to formalize their private relationship and create reciprocal rights and responsibilities among themselves, they are free to do that under the law using contracts. But of course, no private individual or corporation outside of that contractual relationship should be forced by government to recognize that contractual relationship or to perform some specific action because of the existence of that private contractual relationship. Sound social science has also proven it over and over again that children suffer when their parents selfishly abandon them in various ways, or don't get married, or get divorced, or allow various things to weaken and undermine their marriages. But do we really need studies to tell us all this? This used to be common sense. The greatest gift a parent can give to their child is to love the child's other parent before, during, and after the child is born. When we denigrate the importance of marriage, a lot of other unintended negative consequences naturally result. Children get turned into commodities to be manufactured and possessed by unrelated adults, separating children from at least one true parent as a matter of routine procedure. And just like any good or property, the state becomes empowered to routinely and arbitrarily assign parentage and custody of children without any regard for biology or genetics. It has happened and will continue to happen unless we fix our culture and then our laws to recognize the natural and pivotal role of marriage for the happiness, well-being, and rights of children.